Hi all, look at this picture. Do you see? These are stars, and these are most fascinating objects. And this picture is really very stunning, really very stunning. And I'm astrophilic person, and if you have some astrophilic feelings, then come and join me in this channel and in these videos we are going to explore some fascinating facts about space and the cosmos and understand it what it is. So after bursting into the existence 13.8 billion years ago in the Big Bang, our universe was for a time entirely dark because no light generating object had yet formed. After a few 100 million years, clumps of matter began to heat up, and soon the universe was bathed in light from the first stars. Today, stars are still most numerous visible objects in the sky, and they have range from many sizes and array of colors. They have luminosity. They are very bright, and they are some of them are very bright and some of them are faint, as depend on their temperature and their distance from the earth. And when star is born and after completing its life, it it give rise to some strange phenomena after its death, that are the white dwarfs, pulsars, and the black holes. We now also know that the many stars like sun are orbited by the planets, some of which might harbor life. Around time that first star ignite, the first galaxies were forming. Clusters of the stars merged into small galaxies, which in turn merged to make bigger galaxies. All the stars visible to the unaided eye are part of our home galaxy, the Milky Way, a structure so vast that the light takes 100,000 years to cross it. But this galaxy is just one of the untold billions of the galaxies in the cosmos. Gradually, by using more and more powerful telescopes and other sensing instruments, astronomers are unlocking the secrets of galaxies along with gaining an understanding of nature of mysterious phenomena such as the dark matter in which galaxies seem to be embedded. So in my personal views and in my personal opinions, this is one of the most fascinating subject came across in my life. And to understand this cosmos, how it works, what is all about, I studied physics, and then I entered into astrophysics, and I'm self-taught person. So uh, forgive me if I am not able to communicate, convey some things, uh, because I'm also in the learning process of all. So the aim of making these videos on the YouTube is to uh, share my knowledge and share my passion with you people, and the people like me who has limited resources in all aspects of life uh, but I have very strong urge to learn about these things, because I'm from Pakistan, and in our country this subject is not so much introduced, and nowadays we have some institutes which are going to teach these type of subjects. But when I was in university, we don't came across with these type of subjects in our graduate and postgraduate studies. So now we are going to understand the cosmos. Uh, Note this picture. This is a supercluster. It is called the Laniakea supercluster, and it is all about it's a yellow in color, and the white line indicates the flow of the galaxy towards a spot near the center. The approximate position of the Milky Way is shown in the red. Laniakea is about 500 million light years across. It is thought to be surrounded by other similar regions, which is the blue. Now, see, this red spot is the position of the Milky Way. As we know that our galaxy, we are on the planet Earth, and planet Earth is a part of a solar system, and we have our own sun around which all the planets are revolving, and this sun is a part of a galaxy, spiral galaxy, barred spiral galaxy, which is called as the Milky Way. And this supercluster, it is an observable universe actually, and after observing and after detecting their paths and their motion, astronomers are mapping this structure, and it is the supercluster. It is called the supercluster. Okay, so as you see, this is Earth, and this Earth in solar system, and then this solar system has around it, it's a local stars, around 32 stars, and it's the Milky Way. Okay, so I think it's enough for today's, because I know that so many people have no time, it's not much time to watch the lengthy videos. So I decided to make short videos, around about 5 to 7 minutes, 4 to 5 to 7 minutes. Maybe it's a long, about 10 minutes. Then I will going to end my video. If you like it, then please hit the like button, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Okay, thank you so much.